Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Radiology here. So now I'm going to show you how do I clean my phone. So which product did I use? So this is my Samsung Galaxy J1A. So this phone it's been a month didn't use. So now I'm gonna clean it. So first thing is I'm using this screen cleaning kit, the cloth, and another cloth. So now I'm going to show you. Let's get started. Your cloth, then after that turn around, last but not least, do slowly, then finish. Very clean. So at the back side, at this side also I do. So this product is very cheap. You can find it in a cheap store. Even in online you can find it. Very clean. Let's take a look at the phone. So yeah, that's all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget. Alright, I'm so sorry. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.